Okay, hello everyone. Thank you for watching this video. With this video, guys, I want to show you how to get real human traffic to your affiliate link. You can use this traffic to promote your ClickBank affiliate link or your CPA offers. Of course, you can promote your website or blogs or any affiliate program. I decided to make this video, guys, because I am getting unlimited emails from my subscribers and my customers how to get traffic if turbo website traffic is real traffic, if this website will give you traffic and make leads and commission. Okay, of course, very important to get traffic to your affiliate link. If you don't have traffic, you don't have no leads and no commission and no money in your pocket. So you have to get traffic all the time to your affiliate link. Of course, you have to choose a very convert product that you can sell and you can get leads. And of course, if you want to promote your landing page, you have to choose a very convert landing page. Only from this way you can get leads and commission. Okay, so right now I want to show you my I will show you one of my product that I am promoting on this website. So let's go to Google Analytics. Okay, let's go to my product that I am promote. Traffic source. I am promoting my 100 per day system, and you can see right now I am using turbo website traffic. Yes, this website. I promote my landing page from this website, and let's go only for the traffic that I am getting from turbo website traffic. Like you see here, over 100 visitors right now. Okay, it's real time. You can see here real time traffic source, and this is my landing page, 100 per day. I will show you my product. This is my link that I am promote. This is my product. If you want, I will put this product below this video so you can see it or check it if you want. Okay, and now like you see, turbo website traffic over 120 visitors. Let's go. Okay, like you see, now I am getting only from this analytics show me only from turbo website traffic. Let's go to location. Okay, let's see where the traffic is right now. From where you can see a lot of traffic from USA. Traffic from USA is the best traffic. Of course, you can get more traffic from Brazil, France, Japan, Russia, United Kingdom, India, Mexico, everywhere. And the best is from USA. You can see real time 26 visitors real time on my website. Okay, if you can see this traffic, this statistics, that means this traffic is real human traffic. And I want to show you exactly how this work. Okay, so this is the website that you can get a lot of traffic. You can click in your browser turbo website trafic.com. Okay, and you will see a different website in the middle. Okay, a different website. You can click one more time and you will see a different product. Right now you can see over 4,000 visitors on this website from different traffic source.
Hi, my name is...
Okay, fantastic. You can see a lot of ClickBank product on this traffic website. So how to promote your affiliate link and get real human traffic using turbo website traffic. So you can see here advertising. All you have to do is go to advertising. Let's take my link and I will show you. Sorry. Here you can see site URL. So you have to put your link here and choose your package. You can get here 100 visitors, only $15, my friend. I think this is very cheap traffic, very cheap and very good traffic. And you have to let's put your name here. Okay, let's say dev 20 and your email. Okay, that's all you have to do. Very important to put your affiliate link here. Like I said in the beginning on this video, you can choose your ClickBank affiliate link or CPA or any affiliate link, my friend. Okay, this is the best traffic that you can get to your affiliate links. Very important to choose a very convert product, a very good product, and promote your link using this website. Okay, so all you have to do is put your details here and click order. Then you will get this page and you have to check if everything is well. Very important to put your link using all the link. Of course, you have to don't forget the http// okay, and you have here your package and you have to buy it and you are ready to go. So you can make money, you can get traffic to your link while you sleeping. Okay, all you have to do is make your order and buy traffic and you are ready to go. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, my friend. I hope you to succeed online. Please, if you like it, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. I will upload videos, one video a week, and I will give you a lot of content that you can use it to succeed online and make money online. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and good luck and have a good day. Thank you very much.